If you have $100,000 or more of life insurance, you may qualify to sell your policy. Don't cancel or let your policy lapse without finding out what it's worth. Visit CoventryDirect.com to find out if your policy qualifies, or call 1-800-494-8300. Coventry Direct, redefining insurance. I had a heart problem. I was told to begin my aspirin regimen. I just didn't listen until I almost lost my life. My doctors again ordered me to take aspirin, and I do. Talk to your doctor before you begin an aspirin regimen. Listen to the doctor. Take it seriously.
The last thing you have to worry about right now is having enough food.